Hey, so if Brave search keeps failing, opening the wrong search engine, or showing weird redirects, yeah, that can make browsing really frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser search engine errors step by step. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Search pages often fail when the connection keeps dropping. Now open Brave settings and go to the search engine section. Check which search engine is selected. If it looks unfamiliar, switch it back to something trusted like Brave Search or Google. Click Manage Search Engines and remove any unknown or suspicious entries. Browser hijackers often add fake search tools. Some extensions can redirect searches or break search results, so disable unnecessary add-ons temporarily. Now clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can stop search pages from loading correctly. If searches still don't work, reset Brave settings to restore the default search configuration. Make sure Brave is fully updated. Older versions can have compatibility issues with search engines. If your search engine keeps changing automatically, scan your system for malware or unwanted software. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are applied, Brave Search should work normally again without redirects or search errors.